that has nothing to do with me or with any Nigerian. What is of importance to all of us is bringing down the harsh conditions of living. And the buck stops only on the table of one man. That is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. No amount of reshuffle can make any difference.
Cabinet reshuffle or political manipulation. Tinubu's cabinet reshuffling would not make any difference, says Galadima. A prominent figure from the new Nigerian People's Party, NNPP, has cast doubt on the effectiveness of President Bola Tinubu's planned cabinet reshuffle. Buba Galadima, a respected chieftain of the NNPP, voiced his doubts during an interview on Channels TV's Politics Today program. His comments directly responded to the recent announcement by Bayo Ononuga, the president's special advisor on information and strategy, about Tinubu's plans to reorganize his cabinet. Galadima argued that the proposed reshuffle would have little impact on Nigerian people, stating, "That has nothing to do with me or any Nigerian. What is important to all of us is bringing down the harsh living conditions." The NNPP leader placed the responsibility squarely on President Tinubu's shoulders, asserting that the buck stops only on the table of one man, that is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Galadima went further, suggesting that the reshuffle might be more about rewarding political allies than addressing the nation's pressing issues. He urged the president to focus on solving the country's foreign exchange crisis, which has led to significant decline in the value of the naira. Criticizing the current administration's performance, Galadima stated, "I expected him to do better than this and to hit the ground running." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.